Hey guys, Avi here, and welcome back to our Python programming series. Previously, we discussed lists. Today, we're advancing to a new data structure known as dictionaries. Now, what is a dictionary in Python? Imagine a classroom scenario where each student has a unique name and age. If we were to store this data using a list, we might end up with something like students equals Bob, 12, and then Rachel, 13, and then we'll add in Emily, 15. Though it's a valid approach, it's far from efficient. If we want to retrieve Rachel's age, we'd have to locate her name in the list and then find the following value. Lists aren't well suited for such cases. This is where dictionaries shine. Think of a geographical map. Each symbol or color represents a unique feature. For example, green indicates land, blue signifies water, and so on. This association between the symbol and its meaning forms the basis of a Python dictionary. In a dictionary, every key is linked with a value. Accessing the key retrieves its associated value. To illustrate this, let's convert our earlier list into a dictionary. Now we can go ahead and write students equals, and then in curly brackets, Bob, 12, Rachel, 13, and then Emily, 15. Here, we've created a dictionary named students, where each student's name serves as a key, and their age is the corresponding value. Now if we print students, we'll get Bob, 12, Rachel, 13, and Emily, 15. To access a value, we simply call the corresponding key. For instance, to determine Rachel's age, we can type students and then in square brackets Rachel, which will return 13. Similarly, students Bob will give us 12. This demonstrates the fundamental functionality of dictionaries, creating a dictionary and accessing its values. Next, let's say Rachel just celebrated her 14th birthday, and we want to update her age in our records. We can do so by setting the new value to the key, like this. Students Rachel is equal to 14. Now students will show that Rachel's age has been updated to 14. What if a student, say Emily, leaves the school and we want to remove her record? Python provides the del function to delete an entry from the dictionary. We simply specify the key we want to remove, for example, del, students, and then in brackets Emily, and now Emily's record is now deleted from the dictionary, leaving only Bob and Rachel. There are also other useful dictionary operations like determining its length using the len function. Calling len of students will return the number of entries in the dictionary. However, an important rule while working with dictionaries is to ensure the keys are unique. Having duplicate keys, such as students is equal to, let's say, Bob, 12, Bob, 14, Bob, 16, creates confusion. Python doesn't know which Bob you're referring to when you access the key, so it defaults to the last one specified. Hence, it's crucial to keep each key unique to prevent such issues. So, to recap this video, dictionaries are used to associate keys and values similar to symbols on a map. You can print a dictionary, update its values, and delete dictionaries. The len function allows you to count the number of entries in a dictionary, and always ensure that the keys in a dictionary are unique. That's a brief overview of Python dictionaries. Thanks for listening, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.